Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff Lutton with Precision Public Adjusting. I'm out here at Kwok Lee's house in Buford. I will be repairing this shingle today. As you can tell, the shingle ends here, and it's these three tabs right here. Here's the damaged shingle I'll be removing, and I will be putting in a new shingle. I will put the phone down so you guys can follow along with me. Just make sure you guys can see. Ready, guys? Okay. All right. I don't think they use the right size nail. This way. All right, guys, that nail's overdriven into here, and I will take this one out. It did protrude through the shingle. It's pretty flush with the felt and the decking. That one will stay. And these won't nail down straight. The shingle out. Like I said, that nail and rip through the shingle. I will pull it out now that I have a little bit more room. Put a nail under it. I'm going to be as gentle this process as possible. All right. Let's just give you a date. Here is it with the shingle removed, guys. Now I'll go ahead and put the new shingle in. Alrighty guys, here is the new shingle in place. As you can tell, these corners right here have started to crease, but the top as well as this shingle here, starting to come into this shingle here. Not as much as the upper rows. As you can see, if I rub my hands across these shingles, nothing comes off. Now, there's loose granules at the top here. If I rub my hands across very lightly, you can see that the shingles have started to crease at the top of several of these shingles during this repair process. I will go ahead and take some additional photos. Thank you for your consideration.